Hey guys, welcome back. So in this part of the homework, we're going to be subtracting by regrouping. And remember, as I showed you in class, I actually made this sheet easy because your denominators are already the same. If your denominators are already the same, there's no need to do the find the like denominator thing that looks like this that I've shown you in class, because they already are the same bottom number. We're just going to keep them as they are. Whoops. So what we're going to do instead is now just do the subtraction. For this one, you have 4 minus 10, which you know you can't do, so you're going to borrow from the 6. Borrowing from the 6 will leave this at 5. The one that you borrowed must be placed back down on your paper as a fraction, and we do that by using the only denominator we see, which is 11, right? So I'm going to make that into a fraction, which is 11 over 11. Doesn't this equal 1? Yes, it does. So the one that I borrow, I take 1 away from 6, I have 5, and I'm going to land it back down into my paper as a fraction, 11 over 11. And I do that by using the only denominator that I have, okay? And now what you're going to do is add what you had with what you borrowed. So this, 11 plus 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I have 15 over 11 now. Bring that whole number back over. Bring your bottom fraction over. So what you have here is 15 minus 10, which is 5 over 11. 5 minus 4, which is 1. Final answer for number 1 is 1 and 5 over 11. Okay? Sorry again for the messy handwriting, but I'm working with a mouse. Okay, moving on to number 2. For number 2, here we go. Remember, you don't have to do the like bottom number thing because they already have matching bottom numbers. We're going to subtract. Again, I have 4 minus 10, which I can't do. I'm going to borrow from the 7, make that a 6. The one that I borrowed needs to land back down onto the paper as a fraction. I do that by using the denominator that's already here. 13 over 13 is 1. So that's the one that I borrowed as a fraction. So remember, 7, borrow 1 gives you 6. The one that I borrowed, I'm going to smack it back down onto the paper as a fraction. I'm going to add what I have with what I borrowed. 13 plus the 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 over 13. Bring over your whole number, and then bring over the fraction you are subtracting with, and here you go. 17 minus 10 is 7 over 13. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this answer should be, sorry for the sloppiness, that's a 13. This answer should be 5 and 7/13. Going on to number 3. You already have matching bottom numbers, so you can subtract 8 minus 14, which you can't do. Borrow from the 5, that becomes a 4. The one that you borrow is going to be 15 over 15. Add those two together, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 over 15. Bring the whole number back over. Bring over the fraction to subtract. And now you can subtract 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You should have 9 over 15. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 and 9 over 15. I think that can reduce by 3s. 3 will go into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So really what you have is 3 and 3/5. Okay? Number 4, my last sample for you. So you have 4 that you need to do yourself for homework. And so altogether you have 8 questions for homework. 4 from the subtraction side and 4 from the previous side adding. Okay? Comes with 2. And 14 over 14. Add those together. I have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 over 14. Bring your whole number back. Bring this fraction back to subtract. 19 minus 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 would give you 8 over 14. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I don't have a whole number, but this will reduce. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 14 7 times. So 4/7 is what I have for number 4. I think I did that correct, and I hope this helped you on your way to completing your homework problems on your own. See you at the next one, guys. See you on Tuesday. Bye.